The DJI Avata 360 is packed with cool features like over 12 miles of range, a 1x1.1-inch CMOS sensor, 8K 360 footage, and of course the ability to reframe your shots after you're done flying. But there are some things that people also overlook. So today we're going over 3 of those things about the Avata 360. The Avata 360 isn't a replacement for enterprise platforms, but for situations where you want to look straight up, like if you're inspecting under a bridge, the Avata 360 makes things a whole lot easier. Also, quick roof checks or structure walkthroughs can easily be completed with this drone. And the best part is, since you're capturing everything in 360, you'll be able to look in every direction even after your flight. Plus, the built-in prop guards give you extra confidence if you are flying in tight quarters. Now, most drones struggle when the sun goes down, but the Avata 360 is tuned for better low-light performance. With the f1.9 aperture, combined with the 1x1.1-inch CMOS sensor, you get cleaner footage at dusk, indoors, or shadow-heavy environments. Now, when we say low light, we of course don't mean middle of the night, which of course you would need a strobe if you are flying then. What we mean is the period just after sunset. So that way you still get a little bit of light and your footage just looks a lot better. That time period really lets you take advantage of that wider aperture and that 1-inch sensor. And finally, the internal storage. So even if you forget your microSD card, it's not the end of the world. The Avata 360 includes 42 gigabytes of internal storage, which I know sounds like a lot, but it adds up quick with 8K 360 footage. That gives you about 30 minutes, which will easily get you a few clips if you're in a pinch. Now, of course, you can add your own microSD card up to 1 terabyte. If you're used to flying regular drones, the file sizes are pretty big, but a lot of people who haven't used 360 cameras don't realize how massive some of these files are. So if you're looking at the Avata 360 as just another 360 drone, you're missing the big picture. This thing is way more versatile than it gets credit for, especially when you start using it in scenarios like inspections, low light environments, or if you just happen to forget your memory card. So if you want to learn more or get your hands on the Avata 360, click the link below, and thanks for watching.